Hello guys, in this session we are going to go through the previous year's questions of human reproduction and reproductive health of NEET. Question 1. Test tube baby means a baby born when the ovum is fertilized externally and thereafter implanted in uterus. Option C. Question 2. Bartholin glands are situated on either side of vagina in humans. Option C. Question 3. Ovulation in the human female normally takes place during the menstrual cycle at the end of proliferative phase. Option D. Question 4. Which of the following hormones is not a secretion product of human placenta? Option B. Prolactin. Question 5. Gray crescent is the area just opposite to the site of entry of sperm into ovum. Option B. Question 6. If mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, which one of the following is unlikely? Estrogen secretion further decreases. Option C. Question 7. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as FSH. Option B. Follicle stimulating hormone. Question 8. Withdrawal of which of the following hormone is the immediate cause of menstruation? Option A. Progesterone. Question 9. In the human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of combination of estrogen and progesterone. Option B. Question 10. Which one of the following statements is incorrect about menstruation? The menstrual fluid can easily clot. Option D is incorrect. Others are correct. Question 11. Given below are 4 methods and their modes of action in achieving contraception. Select their correct matching from the 4 options that follows. Option A. Pill prevents ovulation. A is 3. Option B. Condom prevents sperm reaching cervix. B is 1. Option C. Vasectomy. Semen contains no sperm. After vasectomy, semen contains no sperm. Option D. Copper T prevents implantation. Second. So the correct combination is option C. 12. Which extra embryonic membrane in humans prevents desiccation of the embryo inside the uterus? Amnion. Option B. 13. Consider the statements given below regarding contraception and answer as directed thereafter. 1. Medical termination of pregnancy (MTP) during first trimester is generally safe. 2. Generally, chances of contraception are nil until mother breastfeeds the infant up to 2 years. 3. Intrauterine devices like copper T are effective contraceptives. 4. Contraception pills may be taken up to 1 week after coitus to prevent conception. Which 2 of the above statements are correct? Only statement 1 and statement 3 are correct. Others are wrong. 14. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiate into the secondary spermatocytes. Option D. 15. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the events occurring during menstrual cycle? Development of corpus luteum, secretory phase and increased secretion of progesterone. Option B. 16. Seminal plasma in humans is rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. Option D. 17. Given below is a diagrammatic sketch of a portion of human male reproductive system. Select the correct set of the names of the parts labeled A, B, C and D. A is labeled as vas deferens, seminal vesicle is labeled as B, prostate is labeled as C and bulbourethral gland is labeled as D. So option A is the correct one. 18. Fetal ejection reflex in human female is induced by fully developed fetus and placenta. So option B. 19. The correct sequence of spermatogenetic stages leading to the formation of sperms in a mature human testis is spermatogonia, then spermatocytes, then spermatid, then sperms. So option A is the correct one. 20. Which one of the following is the most likely root cause why menstruation is not taking place in regularly cycling human female? Maintenance of high concentration of sex hormones in the bloodstream. Option B is the right one. 21. A change in the amount of yolk and its distribution in the egg will affect pattern of cleavage. 22. In vitro fertilization is a technique that involves transfer of which one of the following into fallopian tube? Either zygote or early embryo up to 8 cell stage. Option B. 23. Sertoli cells are formed in seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to germ cells. Option C. 24. Vasa afferentia are the ductules leading from radiotestis to vas deferens. 25. Seminal plasma in human males is rich in fructose and calcium. 26. The permissible use of the technique amniocentesis is for detecting any genetic abnormality. 27. The signals for parturition originate from placenta as well as fully developed fetus. 28. The first movements of the fetus and appearance of hair on its head are usually observed during which month of the pregnancy? 5th month. 29. Copper ions released from copper releasing intrauterine devices suppress sperm motility. 30. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. 31. Which one of the following statements about human sperm is correct? The sperm license in the acrosome dissolves the egg envelope, facilitating fertilization. Option B. 32. Which one of the following statements about morula in humans is correct? It has almost equal quantity of cytoplasm as an uncleaved zygote but much more DNA. Option A. 33. The part of the fallopian tube closest to the ovary is infundibulum. B. 34. Signals from fully developed fetus and placenta ultimately lead to parturition, which requires the release of oxytocin from maternal pituitary. 35. In human female, the blastocyst gets implanted in endometrium by the trophoblast cells. Option D. 36. Secretions from which one of the following are rich in fructose, calcium and some enzymes? Male accessory glands. 37. Which one of the following is the most widely accepted method of contraception in India at present? Intrauterine devices, IUDs. 38. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from testis to epididymis. Option A. 39. The testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served is for maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. Option A. 40. Medical termination of pregnancy, MTP, is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? 12 weeks. 41. The figure given below depicts a diagrammatic sectional view of the human female reproductive system. Which set of 3 parts out of 1 to 6 have been correctly identified? 3 is infundibulum, 4 is fimbriae, and 5 is cervix. Option B is correct. 42. The technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, is recommended for those females who cannot produce an ovum. Option A. 43. What happens during fertilization in humans after many sperms reach close to the ovum? Secretions of acrosome helps one sperm enter cytoplasm of ovum through zona pellucida. Option A. 44. About which day in a normal human menstrual cycle does rapid secretion of LH, popularly called LH surge, normally occurs? In the 14th day. 45. Which one of the following statements is false in respect of viability of mammalian sperm? Sperm is viable for only up to 24 hours. This is false. 46. What is the figure given below showing in particular? It is tubectomy. 47. Signals for parturition originate from both placenta as well as fully developed fetus. 48. In a normal pregnant woman, the amount of total gonadotropin activity was assessed. The result expected was high level of circulating HCG to stimulate estrogen and progesterone synthesis. Human chorionic gonadotropin. 49. The test tube baby program employs which one of the following techniques? Zygote intrafallopian transfer, ZIFT. 50. Identify the human developmental stage shown below as well as the related right place of its occurrence in a normal pregnant woman and select the right option for the two together. Blastocyst, it occurs in the uterine wall. Option C is correct. 51. The secretory phase in the human menstrual cycle is also called luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days. Option C. 52. What is the correct sequence of sperm formation? Spermatogonia, then spermatocytes, then spermatids, then spermatozoa. Option B. 53. Meiosis takes place in option C, meiocyte. 54. Artificial insemination means artificial introduction of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina. Option A. 55. Which one of the following is not the function of placenta? Secretes oxytocin during parturition. It is not the function of placenta. 56. Which one of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? Jaundice cannot be detected. 57. One of the legal methods of birth control is option C, abortion by taking an appropriate medicine. 58. Menstrual flow occurs due to the lack of progesterone. Option C. 59. Which one of the following statements is correct regarding sexually transmitted diseases? The chances of a 5-year-old boy contracting STD are very little. Option D. 60. The figure shows a section of human ovary. Select the option which gives the correct identification of either A or B with function or characteristic. A. Tertiary follicle. It forms Graafian follicle. So option B is correct. 61. The stage transferred into the uterus after induced fertilization of ovum in the laboratory is option C, morula. 62. In our society, women are blamed for producing female children. Choose the correct answer for the sex determination in humans due to the genetic makeup of the particular sperm. Option B. 63. Which one of the following is not a method of contraception? Pills of a combination of oxytocin and vasopressin. Option B. 64. The fetal ejection reflex in humans triggers the release of oxytocin from maternal pituitary. 65. The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system in human male is urethra. Option A. 66. The main function of mammalian corpus luteum is to produce progesterone. Option B. 67. The correct option describing gonadotropin activity in a normal pregnant female. High level of HCG stimulates the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. Option C. 68. Tubectomy is a method of sterilization in which a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up. 69. Which of the following is a hormone releasing intrauterine device? LNG-20. Option B. 70. Assisted reproductive technology IVF involves transfer of zygote into the fallopian tube. Option B. 71. Which of the following cells during gametogenesis is normally diploid? Option A, spermatogonia. 67. Select the correct option describing gonadotropin activity in a normal pregnant female. High level of HCG stimulates the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. Option C. 68. Tubectomy is a method of sterilization in which a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up. Option A. 72. Capacitation refers to changes in sperm before fertilization. Option C. 73. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of uterus. Option C. 74. Which of these is not an important component of initiation of parturition in humans? Release of prolactin. Option B. 75. Which of the following viruses is not transferred through semen of an infected male? Chikungunya virus. 76. A childless couple can be assisted to have a child through a technique called GIFT. The full form of this technique is gamete intrafallopian transfer. Option D. 77. In human females, meiosis II is not completed until fertilization. Option D. 78. Which of the following layers in an antral follicle is acellular? Option B. Zona pellucida. 79. Which of the following events is not associated with ovulation in human females? Decrease in estradioles. C. 80. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as implantation of embryo at site other than uterus. Option D. 81. Which of the following approaches does not give the defined action of contraceptive? Vasectomy prevents spermatogenesis. Option B. It is wrong. 82. Chances in GnRH pulse frequency in females is controlled by circulating levels of option C, estrogen and progesterone. 83. Fertilization in humans is practically feasible only if the ovum and the sperms are transported simultaneously to ampullary isthmic junction of the fallopian tube. Option D. 84. Select the incorrect statement. LH and FSH decrease gradually during the follicular phase is the only incorrect statement. Others are correct. 85. In context of amniocentesis, which of the following statements is incorrect? It can be used for detection of cleft palate. It cannot be used for detection. So option B is false. 86. Identify the correct statement on inhibin. It is produced by granulosa cells in ovary and inhibits the secretion of FSH. Option D. 87. Which of the following is hormone releasing IUD, intrauterine device? It is LNG-20. 88. Which of the following is incorrect regarding vasectomy? No sperm occurs in epididymis. 89. Embryo with more than 16 blastomeres formed due to in vitro fertilization is transferred into a uterus. 90. Which of the following depicts the correct pathway of transport of sperms? Radiodestis, then efferent dictules, then epididymis, then vas deferens. 90. 91. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option using the codes given below. Mons pubis, female external genitalia. B. Antrum, Graafian follicle. Trophectoderm, embryo formation. And D. Nebenkern, it is sperm. So option B is correct. 92. Several hormones like HCG, HPL, estrogen, progesterone are produced by placenta. 93. Capacitation occurs in option C, female reproductive tract. 94. Match the following sexually transmitted diseases with their causative agent and select the correct option. Gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria. Syphilis is caused by Treponema. Genital warts is caused by human papillomavirus, and AIDS is caused by HIV. So the correct option is option D. 95. The function of copper ions in copper releasing IUDs is they suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperms. Option D. 96. In case of a couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? Artificial insemination or intracytoplasmic sperm injection? Both can be used. 97. Hormones secreted by placenta to maintain pregnancy are HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, HPL, human prolactin, progesterones and estrogens. Option C. 98. The contraceptive Saheli blocks estrogen receptors in uterus, preventing eggs from getting implanted. Option A. 99. The difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation is: in spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are released from Sertoli cells into the cavity of seminiferous tubules. D. 100. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. Proliferative phase, follicular phase, secretory phase, it is luteal phase, and menstruation, breakdown of endometrial lining. So option C is correct. 101. Which of the following contraceptive methods involve a role of hormones? Lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptives. Option B. 102. Extrusion of second polar body from egg occurs after entry of sperm but before fertilization. Option B. 103. Select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. Seminiferous tubules, then radiodestis, then vas efferentia, then epididymis, then vas deferens, then ejaculatory duct, then urethra, then urethral meatus. Option C. 104. Select the hormone releasing intrauterine device. The combination is progestasert and LNG20. Option D is correct. 105. Which of the following sexually transmitted diseases is not completely curable? It is genital herpes. Option D. 106. In which of the following techniques the embryos are transferred to assist those females who cannot conceive? Option C. ZIFT and IUT. Zygote intrafallopian transfer and intrauterine transfer. 107. Meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed at the time of fusion of sperm with an ovum. Option B. 108. Which of the following hormone levels will cause release of ovulation from Graafian follicle? High concentration of estrogen. Option C. 109. Select the option including all sexually transmitted diseases: gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes. So it is the only option. 110. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. So placenta, human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, zona pellucida, layer of the ovum, bulbourethral glands, lubrication of the penis, Leydig cells, androgens. So it is option B. That's it. Thank you.